Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. For this month's recipe, we're making pad thai on the Skottle. Fish sauce, soy sauce, rice vinegar, brown sugar, sriracha, and peanut butter. Now you have all your ingredients. Let's make the sauce. 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 5 tablespoons of brown sugar. And if you don't have any tamarind paste, next best thing is rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons. Tablespoon of sriracha. Those add more, like spicy. And 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. Mix that joint up. Now set this aside and we'll prep the rest of our ingredients. 1 red bell pepper. Slice it up, julienne. Take out the seeds. Shout out to Benchmade. Next, chop up your green onions. Just a rough chop. Then chop up some cilantro. This will be just garnish along with the peanuts and the green onions. Then 3 cloves of garlic. Alright, just roughly mince. Gonna need 2 limes, 1 full one for cooking, and then a couple wedges as a finisher. Gonna want to Skottle medium-high heat. So we got extra thick noodles, so we blanched ours in boiling water for about 15-20 minutes just to speed up the process. Just put enough water to cover the noodles. You want to cover it with a lid just to hold the heat, and then check it once in a while so the noodles don't get stuck on the pan. Just like pasta, we want it nice al dente. Alright, now noodles are done. Let's set that aside. Now I'm just going to dump the rest of this water so we can cook the rest of our raw ingredients. Put up the Skottle, medium high heat again. A couple tablespoons of oil. You can use whatever protein you want. You can use tofu, beef, chicken, pork, or all the above. And once your shrimp is cooked, put in your bell peppers and garlic. You don't want the bell peppers cooked thoroughly, so you can have that nice crunch along with the bean sprouts. With the Skottle still on, just set that aside so we could scramble our eggs. Okay, now we're ready to assemble the rest of our ingredients. Add our noodles. Make sure you're constantly stirring so it doesn't stick. Your noodles, your egg. And don't forget about your sauce. Don't forget about your bean sprouts. Just a nice handful. Whole lime. Cilantro, green onions, some peanuts. Voila, pad thai on the Skottle. Me llamo Josh. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification. Follow us on IG and TikTok at Tembo Tusk. If you like this recipe, it's in the description down below. Grab your Skottle and let's get cooking. Shoot. What is this again? Oh, bell pepper.
1 red bell pepper.
A lot of nudes.
I just want you to see a demo.
Oh, yeah. Making pad thai.
Oh, pad thai. You need tamarind.
Huh? Yeah.
First one you gotta go to the Mexican market.
Oh, they have? Oh.
Yeah.
Well, now you know.
Yeah. What is that?
Piece of my glove. The mailman knew already what's up.
Yeah, he's like, you don't have tamarind.
Like, where's the tamarind? I'm like, got him.